Hello everyone, my name is Lakshman. Today, I'm here to explain a research paper that is related to the subject that is big data analytics. And the topic is readiness of big health data analytics in Ethiopian health sectors. So basically, this topic is related to the big data and it is how you can analyze the data that is related to the health sector and the hospitals in maintaining the data in an optimal storage. So yeah. So in this presentation, we'll be seeing the introduction, objective of the study or research, study design and methods, key findings, TOE framework overview, and a conclusion. So yeah, first is the introduction. So basically, big data can be referred to as the large amount of data that can be uh, stored, analyzed, and utilized for various purposes. So, the characteristics of big data are the three V's, that is volume, velocity, and variety. Volume refers to the size of the data that we are using, and velocity refers to the speed of the processing of data, and variety refers to the different types of data. Like it might be a text file, images, documents, videos, CSV files, comma separated values, and other such things. So, introduction. Big health data analytics refers to the management and analysis of large complex datasets collected continuously by the health sector. So these datasets are crucial for generating evidence to guide healthcare decisions, particularly in anticipating and addressing future health and uncertainties. Despite the potential of big health data to improve patient outcomes, reduce costs, and enhance the quality of healthcare, its utilization for decision making has been notably low in developing countries including Ethiopia. Addressing this gap requires a better understanding of the factors influencing the adoption of BDA in the health sector. So yeah, so we all know that every industries and every actions in the earth on the earth will be collected and calculated based on the data that is generated. So every action that is done in the earth, like in any industries, like any human actions, it can be converted to digital data and it can be analyzed, stored, and we can gather the information and get insights from it. So we can analyze and understand the data to make decisions and solve the problems related to any sector. So in this presentation, we'll be seeing how the data of the hospital sector, health sector, can be utilized to manage and analyze the large problems that are faced in the health sector. And one of the major research was done in the hospital of Ethiopia, and this research addresses the gap requires a better understanding of the factors influencing the adoption of BDA in the health sector. So yeah. The overview of the study of research. The primary aim of the research was to assess the level of readiness for big health data analytics in Ethiopian healthcare settings and to identify the factors that influence this readiness. The study sought to determine which technological, organization, and environmental elements impact the decision to adopt BDA, with the goal of supporting evidence based decision making in healthcare planning and delivery. This study explores the readiness of big data analytics in Ethiopian health sectors by examining the technological, organizational, and environmental factors that contribute to its adoption. It assesses how well the health sector is prepared for the use of big data to improve decision making and healthcare delivery. Related to the study design and methods, this, this cross-sectional study This cross-sectional study was conducted among 845 employees from various public health sectors in Ethiopia, including managers, ICT or IT personnel, and health professionals. The study utilized the technology organization environment, that is a TOE framework, to understand the factors influencing readiness for BDA. Structural equation modeling (SEM) was used with the AM, AMOS software to analyze the relationships between variables, while exploratory factor analysis was performed using SPSS 20.0. The TOE framework allowed the researchers to explore the roles of technology, organization, and the environment in shaping the readiness of healthcare sectors for big health data analytics. Now, these are the key findings and the framework overview. The study revealed that 58.85% of participants exhibited readiness for big health data analytics. Several factors were found to have a positive effect on BDA readiness, including complexity, top management support, training, and government IT policies. These factors highlight the importance of providing adequate support and training to healthcare professionals as well as the role of government policies in facilitating the adoption of BDA. On the other hand, compatibility, that is CT, and optimism OP were found to have a negative effect on BDA readiness, suggesting that misalignment between new systems and existing organizational processes as well as overly optimistic attitudes toward new technologies may hinder successful adoption. The TOE framework overview. The TOE stands for Technology Organization Environment Framework, was used to assess the readiness of Ethiopian health sectors for big data analytics. Technology factors include the complexity of new systems, compatibility with existing infrastructure, and optimism of users towards adopting new technologies. Organizational factors focus on the support from top management, availability of financial resources, and the provision of training programs. Environmental factors relate to external influences such as government laws, policies, and IT legislation, which play a critical role in encouraging the adoption of innovative data analytics solutions in healthcare. So, this is the conclusion. So, this research or study concluded that technological, organizational, and environmental factors significantly influence the readiness for big health data analytics in Ethiopian healthcare sectors. Factors such as the complexity of systems, top management support, training, and government policies were crucial in determining the sector's preparedness. At the same time, compatibility issues and overly optimistic expectations regarding technology adoption presented barriers. To improve the readiness of BDA, the healthcare sector should focus on reforming policies, enhancing collaboration with stakeholders, and promoting data driven decision making across the sector. So, yeah, this is the end of the presentation, guys. Hope you like my explanation about major issue that is faced by the Ethiopian health sector and the research paper. Thank you.